students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. Yes, I'm Farha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Today, my topic is addition of one-digit numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and use the symbols of addition and equality. Well, these are the symbols for plus and equals to. And one more thing you are going to do, that is add one-digit number, sum up to 9. Sum up to 9 means that we will have a total amount by adding together must be 9, not more than 9. Okay? So, my dear students, you need to remember these two things first, which are very important. The things are over here. The symbol plus is used for addition operation. It is read as plus. Yes, this is plus. This one line here and one line here. Like this and this. Remember that. This is called plus. Okay. One more interesting thing. Two lines here. From here and here like this. These two lines, the symbol, these two lines, this symbol is used for equality symbol. We read this symbol as equal to. Okay, do you remember that? This is called equal to symbol, like straight line here up and straight line down. This is what is called equal to symbol. You need to remember this so that we are going to move forward. First thing is, whenever we are going to add one number and add the other number, two numbers for example, then there must be in between which sign? Yes, addition plus sign. And whenever we are going to sum up together, add them together or count them together, then we will have which symbol? Yes, we will have equal to symbol because we are getting the answer. Okay? So we are going to write down equals to symbol, this symbol. So you need to remember this thing. So now we are going to have an example over here to solve it, and you need to remember and look at like the steps, okay, so that this will not be difficult for you to solve. Well, my dear students, here is the example. Ali's mother buys 3 bags and Subhan's mother buys 4 bags. How many bags do they have all together? All together means you need to plus them together, or you are going to count them together, or you are going to say that plus sign must be in between, and when you are going to count them together, you will have equal to symbol. Now let's solve it now. Check how many bags are here. 1, 2, 3. So you will write 3 in this empty box. Now you are going to check how many bags are over here. Yes, there are 4 bags. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are going to put the number 4 here. Now you can see there is plus sign in between these two numbers. Now, because we are going to add them together, means we are going to count them together. How we are going to count them together? That we are not going to stop up to one number. So, let's count with you guys. You need to count with me as well. The numbers, the bags, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, how many bags are over here all together? Yes, there are 7 bags. So, you need to write it after equality symbol in this empty box like this. Okay, now what we do? We read it as 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Or you are going to write it down without boxes like this. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Hope this is clear to you guys. Now I am going to tell you another example. Check over here on your screen. There is, how many cones are over here? Ice cream, ice cream is given over here. How many ice creams over here? Count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ice creams. Yes. So you need to write it down over here in this empty box. How many number? Yes, the number 6. You already know how to write this number. So you just need to write this number 6 over here. Now after plus sign, you can see some more cones over here. How many cones are here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3 cones. Okay, you need to write the number 3 in this empty box. So write this number 3. Now what we are going to do? Because we need to find the after equal to symbol, there is an empty box. B means we are going to sum up together, count them together, or we need to find out the total number of ice creams. So what to do now? Count them together means let's count like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Now I'm not going to stop the counting. Now what I will say? 7, 8, 9. So what number I'm going to write over here? I'm going to write down the number 9 here. So we are going to write the number 9 here in this empty box. So write the number 9 here because this is our total answer. Or you can say that when we are going to add 6 and 3, we are going to have sum, or we are going to have a total ice creams, or I can say that the total ice creams will be 9 when we are going to add them together. Okay, do you remember that? How to do counting like this? Okay, count the objects separately. First you need to count the objects separately, and then you need to count the objects like same as counting without gap. That is, you need to count forward by summing up, by saying them this is the total sum, by counting them together. Now here I am going to solve one more example. This example looks a bit different. That is, you can see that the numbers over here are written in vertical way, means upside down. Okay. Now you can do one thing, that is 2 plus 5. You can see over here plus symbol and then 5. This plus symbol is telling you that you are going to count them together. Okay. First I'm going to draw how many lines? First I will draw 2 lines like this. Then I'm going to draw how many lines? 5 lines like this. Then I'm going to count them together without a gap. You can check and count with me. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we have 7 number. So what? I can write 7. You know it. I have written like this. Okay, like this. This is my final answer. Well, my dear students, I'm going to solve one more final example for you guys, because this is the main conceptual understanding. Okay. So check this example. 4 plus 0. Yes, 0. This is written in vertical way. Yes, upside down. So what I'm going to do now? I'm going to write how many lines I should draw? Yes, I will draw 4 lines, but there is another number 0. So any line 0 is there? No, 0 means nothing. So this means that I will have the answer 4. Do remember that when we are going to add 0 in any number, so the answer will be same number. This is very important thing which you need to remember by yourself, and this is very interesting as well. Okay, whenever we are going to add 0 in any number, we will have the same number which we are going to add. Here the number is 4, so the answer is 4. Hope this concept is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.